In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mockups in Photoshop in a fast and easy way. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to incorporate your designs seamlessly into mockups, streamlining your creative process in Photoshop. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is open Photoshop on your computer. Make sure you've got the latest version for optimum performance and that your workspace is set up the way you like it. If you're new to Photoshop, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbars and panels, as this will make your workflow much smoother. Next, you need to add your mockup to the workspace. You can do this by navigating to File in the top menu and selecting Open to locate your mockup file on your computer. Mockups can be in various formats such as PSD, JPEG, or PNG. If your mockup is in a PSD format, this is perfect as it often comes with smart layers, making it easier to work with your designs. Now that your mockup is open in Photoshop, you'll want to locate the Smart Object layer in the Layers panel. This layer is often labeled clearly for easy identification. Click once on the mockup to make sure that layer is highlighted. This shows that you're about to make changes only to that specific item, leaving the rest of your image intact. The next step is to double-click the Smart Object layer. This action will open the Smart Object in a new tab within Photoshop. What you're doing here is accessing a contained environment where you can add, adjust, and save your design independently from your main mockup. Once it opens up, delete any placeholder content if there is any, to make room for your amazing design. Now it's time for the creative part. Insert your design elements into the Smart Object. If you're working with a front and back design, make sure to place each piece appropriately. You can drag and drop your designs directly from your folders or use the Place Embedded feature for a more integrated approach. After you've placed your design, ensure it's aligned and scaled correctly. Use the transform controls by pressing Ctrl+T or CMD+T on Mac. This useful shortcut will give you the handles you need to resize and rotate your design to perfection. Once your design fits perfectly, it's a great idea to add some text or a logo to personalize your mockup further. Select the text tool from the toolbar to add catchy texts or taglines. Position them strategically on your design, playing with font styles and colors to match your brand's aesthetics. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Save the Smart Object first before closing it, so that all the changes are reflected in the main mockup tab. Just go to File and click Save. Now go back to the original mockup file and voila, your design has magically replaced the placeholders. That's it. With these steps, you can easily incorporate your designs into mockups using Photoshop. We hope you find this method efficient and enjoy the flexibility it offers. Happy designing!